Welcome to an in-depth look at Agile for project management, a dynamic approach transforming how projects are delivered today. Agile is an iterative approach focusing on continuous releases and integrating customer feedback, contrasting sharply with traditional waterfall methods. Originating in software development, Agile's emphasis on flexibility and collaboration has led to its widespread adoption across diverse industries. The Agile Manifesto outlines 4 core values that prioritize people and adaptability over rigid processes. First, individuals and interactions over processes and tools highlights the importance of communication and teamwork. Second, working software over comprehensive documentation focuses on delivering functional results that provide immediate value. Third, customer collaboration over contract negotiation stresses ongoing engagement with clients to ensure their needs are met. Finally, responding to change over following a plan underscores the ability to adapt to evolving requirements. These values are supported by 12 guiding principles, ensuring customer satisfaction through continuous delivery and welcoming changing requirements. Agile promotes frequent delivery of working software, daily collaboration between business and development, and building projects around motivated individuals. It also emphasizes face-to-face conversations, using working software as the primary measure of progress and promoting sustainable development. Continuous attention to technical excellence, simplicity, and self-organizing teams are crucial, alongside regular reflection for improvement. Let's explore some popular Agile methodologies that put these principles into practice. Scrum uses fixed-length iterations called sprints to provide a structured framework for regular software delivery. Key Scrum components include sprint planning to determine tasks and daily scrums or stand-ups for quick team synchronization. Sprint reviews assess completed work, while sprint retrospectives allow teams to reflect and identify improvements for future sprints. Kanban, another methodology, focuses on continuous releases and matches work to the team's capacity. It emphasizes visualizing the workflow and limiting work in progress, often utilizing a Kanban board. Scrumban is a hybrid approach, combining Scrum's structured sprints with Kanban's visual workflow and work-in-progress limitations. Adopting Agile brings numerous benefits, enhancing project outcomes and team efficiency. Agile increases flexibility and adaptability, allowing teams to quickly respond to changes and unforeseen challenges. It enables faster delivery by breaking projects into smaller tasks, leading to quicker completion and higher productivity. Improved stakeholder satisfaction results from frequent project increments, allowing stakeholders to see progress and provide regular feedback. Agile also reduces risk through its adaptability, enhances collaboration and communication, and leads to higher quality products through iterative processes. Implementing Agile effectively requires a strategic focus on flow efficiency. Key steps include identifying business goals, analyzing company culture, and assessing potential impact on customers and available resources. It's crucial to engage company leaders, focus on managing queues, reduce batch size, and integrate fast feedback loops. Decentralized decision-making empowers teams, fostering greater autonomy and efficiency. Agile teams utilize metrics like velocity, burn down, and burn up charts to measure progress, offering a dynamic view compared to traditional Gantt charts. These metrics help evaluate time and cost as teams move through their work, providing valuable insights for continuous improvement. Embrace Agile to transform your project management. Learn more and implement these powerful strategies in your own projects today.